strawberry flavored ice cream in a bag, so you'll need 1 pack of all-purpose cream, condensed milk, frozen strawberries, strawberry flavor, so for this we're using Nesquik strawberry powder, ice, and a lot of salt. You'll also need 2 resealable bags, one smaller than the other.
We're making homemade ice cream, so first we need the entire box of all-purpose cream. Let's put it in a bowl. Next, we're pouring in condensed milk, so we're mixing it together. And to give it a strawberry flavor, we are gonna put this one next, Nesquik strawberry. We're gonna chop up some of the frozen strawberries we have here and mix it into the ice cream. Okay, we're mixing up the strawberries together with the milk and cream. Now we're adding the Nesquik. We put the ice in a bigger bag, in a bigger resealable bag, and put a lot of salt on it. And we're gonna put the other bag with the strawberry ice cream and start shaking. This is how the ice cream turned out. It's really yummy. Some parts aren't solid yet, but